Hey guys, Engineer Prepper here. Today I have to replace my O2 sensors on my Jeep. Here's, just got them on Amazon. All four. Actually, there's two sensors that I need to replace, but I'm going to replace all four since I'm in there, and I don't know how long or when was the last time they were replaced from the previous owner. So I'm just going to replace them. Anyway, my situation today is that with the O2 sensor, the connector that I purchased, they're slightly off. It's the same, it's the right one, but the connector is this little side slide is off a little bit and it won't fit in the other side of the Jeep side. So I'm going to replace this connector, the original connector, with this one, with the, it's not an aftermarket, it's NTK brand, so Jeeps are notorious not to work with Bosch for some reason. But anyway, it's another subject. So this is how you're going to replace this connector. So you just get a pick tool, just a regular pick tool like this. Make sure I'm in frame here. And then the seal piece, you want to pop it off. There's a little center, pull it out. If you pull it out good enough, oh, not there yet. There it is. No. There. You pull it out just far enough where you can get like a little flathead. Then one of these little screwdrivers, and get behind it. There you go. See how it popped up? Okay, it's going to pop off to a certain point, but in order to take these cables off, you could get something smaller and go in there and pull it out. But what I'm going to do is just go ahead and go behind it and still take it out. Completely take it out. As long as you don't break this piece right here. Oh, there we go. That's how it clips. As long as you don't break that. If not, you know, I mean, you got a second chance with the replacement one. So as soon as you get that clip off, now you have access to. I already did two of them. I thought I should do a video in case people need to know how to do this. So I already did the two bottom ones. So there's two up here. Now, the way you do it is the same flat tool. There's a little clip. Let's see if I can zoom in. There's a little black plastic clip just above the metal connector that you need to go in and push it up. Make sure it's flat side. There we go. Go in, push it up, and then you can pull out. Oh, and I'm using my teeth to pull. Wire is kind of slippery, so go in, pull it up, and then pull out. There we go. There we go. I'll do it again. See if I can stay in frame here. Okay. So put the clip in, pull the clip up, and then pull out. There we go. Okay. The way it looks like in there, it's like this. So here's the clip. Here's here's the metal connector. This is the metal connector here. And then what you're trying to do is get underneath this little black clip and push it up while you pull this out. Okay. Let's see. There we go. So there's this little black tab. You want to get underneath it, pull it up, and pull it out. Easy as that. So I'm going to take this in case you need a replacement seal. You got one of those. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the new seal that came with the original, with the replacement. Sorry. So there we go. Let me and then putting it back in, since this is the one I need, these are the old ones. Let me get them here. These are the old connectors. I cut them. Don't need those anymore. I need this connector with the new O2 sensor. So make sure you follow the same colors. They're all pretty much standard. But what I do is take one out and put it into where the spot is. So top right, and make sure you put it in the same orientation. And just push it in. And it clicks. Done. We're done with that. Okay. And you do it for all of them. So let me do this one next. Where's my thing? Go in, pull up, and these wires are slippery. There you go. And then swap it over to the new one. Done. That way you don't do one by one. That way you don't lose where it goes. So that's it for now. And then, well, you know what? Let me finish here. Let's go ahead and finish it. So that way we can put the connector back on. Show how we did that. So in, up, and out. You need to go here. And last one. And up. Pull. Nope. Make sure you get the flat side. There we go. You can kind of feel it. There we go. So we're done. We don't need that. Make sure it's in the right direction. And if you don't get the right direction, it won't go in. So for example, let's flip it. It won't go in as easy. Okay, so this orientation that way. Okay, make sure that I'm not twisting it. Okay, go in and click. So we're done there. So now I need the seal for this guy, the new seal. Actually, that's a kind of crappy seal. Let's see here. I'm trying to grab it. Oh no, okay, it's the same. All right. So put the seal. Okay. Just want to make sure you have the right seal, the same seal size for waterproofing. And just put it back in. Come on. Stretches around that. Then I'm going to use this side, kind of push it back a little bit. And make sure it's not bunched. Okay, so we're done there. And putting this clip back on. Just put and push it all the way in. And that's how you swap out your CO2 connecting part. Anyway, easy peasy. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know. Thanks.